Hi guys, how are you? I guess you are getting ready for my class. And in case if you are going to use artichoke, let me show you how to clean it. So artichoke, it's a flower which is kind of pain to clean. And thing is that only small central part is edible from all this big flower. All these yellow leaves we are going to remove, and basically we are going to use only central part. So first we are going to cut crosswise the almost half of the artichoke. And thing is that we are going to eat it with bread knife, which will serve for us better. Yeah, so here we go. We are going to cut more or less in the middle. So this is first. Then we are going to start, so it looks like this. Then we are going to start to peel off these green leaves. We don't want them. I will just move them out from the cutting discs. We are peeling these green leaves. All green leaves, they are not eatable. Here we go. Then, and you will see that under these green leaves, you will see yellow part of artichoke. So I don't want to look like this, not enough. We keep going. And now we already start to see yellow leaves. So look like this. Have a look. So here it's already yellow and here it's still green. So this part not edible and this part edible. So we keep going from another side. And it's always such a pain when you're buying artichoke. It looks so huge, and finally after all this cleaning process, it's only just a little bit. But to compensate, you will see that the central part is really delicious. Yeah, and it's great papaya. Yeah, so here we go. Then we're going to cut it around. So all this green part, I'm going to cut it out. So at the moment it looks like this, but I want to make it like kind of round. Yeah, and I just, like potato, I'm just peeling this part out, like focusing mostly on the green part. Here we go. Stem as well is eatable, but only from inside. By the way, I forgot to tell you, you should wear glass because of oxidation. Artichoke very quick will turn your hands to brown. Yeah, and then so the stick is eatable, but only yellow inside part. This is like too long. This stick looks like this. Inside it's yellow. Yellow part is edible. Green part again is not edible. So we are going to peel green part of the stem. And you can use, for example, so normal knife, or you can take this stuff for potato. Really, I prefer normal. I guess when I'm peeling potato as well, I don't use this stuff. But you can do, if you prefer, you can do like this. By the way, time by time, if you want to keep your artichoke yellow, not brown, again, to prevent oxidation, you can rub it with lemon. Here, here, here. And this way you will conserve its natural color. Now here we go. I want to peel a little bit more the stem. Yeah, this is kind of not beautiful brown. And you see that finally this yellow part appeared. more round. Here, just turn it round. Oh, not from here. So this stick, basically, you could use it. So I just cut it off. And so here we go. So I have this. Yeah, looks like this from this side. Then I'm going to cut it in the quarters, because exactly in the quarters, artichoke has a choke, which is not edible. It's a kind of hairs. You see? Look like this. And cutting artichoke in the quarters is the best way to get rid of these hairs. So, you see all these hairs, they're not edible. So you're going to take, you can do it with knife if you prefer, or you can take spoon and try to scope it out. Just like, you know, like doing like this, like yeah. Again, I prefer to do it with normal knife. I'm more knife girl. Yeah. And anyway, I'll finish it with knife because all these other devices I don't like. Okay, here I don't have hairs already, so you can then wash it up to remove the rest of hairs. So, and then it looks like this part, it looks like this. You see? And then you're going to cut it lengthwise this way. So this part I will make it later, because I'm just showing you how we're doing this. So we are going to cut this way. Here we go. This is our artichoke that then you're going to use for your paella. You see? Here we go. Can't wait, looking forward for our class. Ciao. Kisses from Barcelona.